are watching today's Kaleidoscope.
Can you spell face with me? With me, with me. Can you spell face with me? F-A-C-E. Can you spell I with me? With me, with me. Can you spell I with me? E-Y-E. Can you spell ear with me? With me, with me. Can you spell ear with me? E-A-R. Can you spell nose with me? With me, with me. Can you spell nose with me? N-O-S-E. Can you spell neck with me? With me, with me. Can you spell neck with me? N-E-C-K. Do you know how to spell hand? H-A-N-D, 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 H-A-N-D. Now you know how to spell it. Do you know how to spell knee? K-N-E-E, 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 K-N-E-E. Now you know how to spell it. Do you know how to spell foot? F-O-O-T, 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 F-O-O-T. Now you know how to spell it. Do you know how to spell heel? H-E-E-L, 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 H-E-E-L. Now you know how to spell it. Do you know how to spell toe? T-O-E, 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 T-O-E. Now you know how to spell it.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.